Hello, in this video I'm gonna try to help you fix the issue with black screen during calls on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. If you have this issue, then there are several steps that you can do in order to try to fix that. First of all, we're gonna go to the settings, and in the settings you want to go to display and brightness, and then over here you have raise to wake. You want to make sure that this option is disabled. Once you disable it, make a call and check if this issue is still there. Now, in addition to that, there are one more thing that you can do or disable in order to try to fix this issue. You can go to accessibility and then over here go to motion and then make sure that reduce motion is disabled. You want this option to be disabled. I think this option is disabled by default, but sometimes you can enable it either by accident or on purpose of course. So you want to check if that is disabled. If you had this enabled, then check if the issue is gone after disabling this option. The next thing that you can do, if these two options didn't help, you can go to general and then go to transfer or reset iPhone. Then you want to tap on the reset and you want to reset all settings. You want to restore all settings to the default, and the reason for this is that sometimes we may or may not enable something that can cause this issue. So after resetting everything, before you make changes again in the settings, check if the issue is still there. If it is, then of course you can fix everything back, change the settings back to how it was before. And if the issue is still there, then of course you may still need to go through settings and enable and disable some of them as you had before, but in that case you want to do this carefully in order to try to find out the issue, as it can be a different solution for everyone. Now, once that didn't help, if that didn't help, then the next thing that you can do is check your screen protector. And what I mean by that is you want to take it off, you want to clean your screen, and then without the screen protector try to make the call and check for the issue. Sometimes the screen protector can be causing this problem, so you want to either completely remove the screen protector, or if you want to have one, then of course you may need to apply another one. Sometimes there might be a dirt or anything really that may go under the screen protector and be between the screen and screen protector. So you just want to clean the screen with anything that you can, of course, as long as you don't destroy the screen, and then check if the issue is still there, and then you can apply the new screen if everything works. Another thing that you can do is force restart your device. Now, I assume you already turned off and on your device multiple times during this issue, but you should also try force restarting. And what I mean by that, what you need to do is press volume up, then press volume down, and then press and hold the side button until the screen turns off and logo of Apple appears. So let me show you how it looks like. So we want to press volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the side button. So I released the button by accident, so let me try one more time. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the volume button. You want to keep holding the volume button, like I said, until the Apple logo. So soon the screen should turn off. There we go. And now we should see the Apple logo in a few seconds. There we go. So now I can release the side button, and now in a few seconds the device will turn back on. And if that doesn't help, then the last thing that you can do is erase everything from your device and then start all over again. Of course, before you do that, you should make a backup of everything that is important on your device, of everything that you have important that you don't want to lose. And once you make the backup, you can go, of course, to the settings, then general, and then in general, if you scroll down, you can go to transfer or reset iPhone, and then at the bottom over here, you have erase all content. And of course, over here, you want to press continue and then follow the instructions. Now, of course, this is the last thing that you should do before everything else, because of course, I know that you probably don't want to remove everything, you don't want to start all over again, because you will have to sign into your Google account again and install apps all over again and so on and so forth, unless you actually back them up. So I know this is troublesome sometimes, so that's why I'm telling you to do this as the final thing, as the last thing, if nothing else works. And these are all the things that you can do by yourself in order to try to fix this issue. If, despite all these points, the issue still persists, if it's still there, then ultimately you'll want to contact someone that may be able to figure that out, whether it is the Apple support or you just want to visit any shop in Santa and anything that can fix this issue. So if you have any store or something similar to that that fixes iPhones, then of course you can go there and try to fix the iPhone as well. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!